Selam everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my page, welcome. My name is Marytilahun, also known as TheSudopian. I hope you enjoyed today's video and join the family and come back, sis. And to my returning subscribers, you are the real deal. So let me not waste your time because you clicked this video for a reason, sis. This video is for my babes who like to be, bougie on a budget, for my girls who want to slay without breaking the bank. I'm going to show you how I apply my press-on nails at home that look like I just walked, sis. Now, everything I'll be using in this video I purchased from Walmart, but you can also find these products at your local dollar store. I'll also be sure to leave the links in the description box below. Let's dive in. The first thing I'm going to do is strip my nails of any product that may be on it, any oils, polish, or glue from my last application. This is important so that you have a nice clean base for your glue to actually stick to and don't have any product build up on your nails. Next, I'm going to just even my nails out. I'm going to even my nails down a bit using a nail file. I typically would use clips, but as you can see, my nails are pretty short, so the file will do just right. So now I'm using my cuticle removal to do just that, remove some of my cuticles. Side note, you should actually be pushing your cuticles back rather than completely removing them, because when you completely remove them, it's easier for bacteria to get in. But I'm long overdue for a manicure, so it's easier for me to just trim some of my cuticles down. So if you really want that salon quality finished look, please don't skip this step. Please treat your cuticles. It makes a big difference. I promise you, sis. Now I'm going to use my four-sided buffer, but I'm only using 3 sides. So I'm using the even, smooth, and the buffing side. I don't use the shine side because I like to keep a little bit of texture so that my glue can hold and last a little longer. Once I'm all buffed up, I like to fit my nails and select the best fit. It's easier when you pre-organize them because it'll save you some time, and who doesn't like, simple organization? So now we are ready to begin the application. I only use a little bit of glue because a little bit goes a long way. Be careful when you're squeezing because it's easy to accidentally overdo it, and removing nail glue is no fun. Ooh, it is no fun at all. So I usually only use a drop and kind of spread it around using the tip of the glue bottle. Once my glue is on, I go ahead and place the press on right on top. Make sure it's aligned evenly with your nail and push back nicely to your preference. So here's where we actually press on, sis. Make sure you are applying pressure. Yes, apply pressure for 15 to 20 seconds immediately after applying the nail on so that you have a nice firm hold and that nail doesn't pop right off. This is where it can get a little time consuming because you should do this for each individual nail, but it's so worth it and still not even half the time that you'll be spending at the salon. So you might as well just go ahead. And voila, we just slayed our nails at home, sis, for the low. I've been slaying all quarantine and saving coins doing this. But even better, my natural nails are getting longer, stronger, and healthier because I've been staying away from all of the chemicals at the salon. No more thin, brittle nails because of the acrylics, no more chemicals, so my nails are just flourishing. Oh, and take your vitamins, sis. Don't sleep on your vitamins. I typically like to take the prenatal vitamins for hair, skin, and nails. You can also take gummies. But yeah, don't skip your vitamins because those will also help your nails grow. But that is all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like how my nails turned out, or if you use my tutorial to apply your nails, please leave a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later, sis. Salam.